stood here waiting in the rain, watching empty skies, calling out your name. Every battle fought, every door we'd face, all those broken dreams found their resting place. But something's rising now from the roots below. What we planted there, watch it start to grow. We built it from the ground with sweat and fire and hands. From everything we've lost, we finally found our land. The future's breaking through, but we don't let go of who we were before. That's how legends grow. That's how legends grow. Concrete in our veins, iron in our bones. Every stone laid down turns a dream to hope. Fathers told the sons, sons will tell their own. This is more than steel, this is blood and soul. And something's rising now through the dust and light. What we carried long stands before our eyes. We built it from the ground with sweat and fire and hands. From everything we've lost, we finally found our land. The future's breaking through, but we don't let go of who we were before. That's how legends grow. We didn't ask for easy, we just asked for time. And every scar we carry made us more alive. This isn't just a moment, this is who we are. We rise from what we love, and we rise hard from the ground, from the ground. We leave the dust and let the hammers sing. Their echoes rise on newborn wings. Through hands of flame, through hearts of clay, we carve the dream that will not fade away. The ghosts of toil beneath the stone still whisper names the earth has known. A spark, a vow in silence sworn to share the noise and the thunder, beyond the rise and the fall. There's a fire burning under every shadow, every wall. Writing answers in the sky, turning dreams into golden cages, never asking myself why. Every victory tasted endless, every mountain seemed so small, but the echoes of the distance started breaking through it all. Then the silence spoke my name, and nothing felt the same. Now I know what matters. Not the crown, not the gold. It's the hands that lift you higher. It's the hearts that never fold. Through the fire, through the dark, against the storm, we are stronger standing together. We are more than what we've worn. I have seen the ancient towers, I have watched the oceans turn. Time can take away the power, but not the lessons that we learn. All the roads I thought were final, all the wars I thought I'd won, led me back to something simple. Who we are beneath the sun. Not the glory, not the fame, but who remains. Now I know what matters. Not the race to stand alone. It's the voices in the distance, calling lost hearts safely home. Through the fire, through the years that made us strong, we were searching for forever, while it lived in us all along. Then and now I see it clearer. Every scar became a sign. Almost there for all those years, still the road was always mine. And the stars above the silence were never asking to be reached, only there to guide the traveler toward the truth beneath his feet. Dawn. Every step, every failure, build the ground I'm standing on. Through the fire, through the rise and through the fall, we are keepers of the flame now, and the flame outlives us all. Carry the flame. The city's coming closer, the stadium's in sight. Grass beneath the sunlight, trees swaying left and right. Paths that weave through silence, benches lined with peace. In the open air we wander, find a calm release. Stands begin to rumble, fans begin to cheer. Footsteps on the gravel, laughter drawing near. Children chase the echoes, kites above the trees. In the rhythm of the meadow, I let my spirit breathe. We glide above the treetops, green beneath our wings. Every twist and spiral, nature softly sings. From the field to the fountain, we dance and freely roam. In the heart of the garden, this drone has found a home. Whispers through the branches, secrets in the shade. Where playgrounds meet the sunrise, memories are made. Echoes of the chanting, moments bold and bright. We're watchers of the greenery, soaring into light. From goalposts to gazebos, scenes both wild and mild. A canvas made of clover, of wonder growing wild. Every shadow shelters peace, each breeze another song. We capture living stories as the drone moves on.